Hey you guys, I may have diagnosed you with blepharitis or meibomian gland dysfunction, so I'm going to talk to you about one of the treatment options, which is cleaning the eyelids really carefully. This is done in the morning, preferably in the shower. There's two different products we might use. One is the Ocusoft Platinum, and then the other one is the Ocusoft Original. The first step you're going to do is just heat up the eyelids with some warm water. So splash the warm water on the face, and then you're going to take 2 pumps of the cleaner. And you're going to work it first into the upper lashes. So you just kind of rub the upper lashes and then look up, open the eyes, and rub it into the bottom eyelashes. Once you're done, you're going to take the washcloth and you're going to exfoliate the upper and lower lids. So take the washcloth, close your eyes, really rub the upper lids, and then look up and really rub the lower lids. The last thing you're going to do is rinse and then push on the eyelids really hard. So you're going to take the water, rinse it off, and then to push on the lower lids, you're going to push on 3 different areas. First out here, push 1, 2, and then in the middle and towards the nose, and then do the uppers 2 times in each place. And then you can rinse again, or you can use the hot washcloth, kind of rub the eyelids a little bit. If you do this every day, you'll improve the function of the oil glands. Thank you.